Artificial intelligence, AI, has permeated numerous industries, and the field of architecture is no exception. The advent of AI-powered tools that seamlessly convert sketches, models, or hand-drawn designs into architectural renders has revolutionized the architectural design process. These advanced tools offer architects unprecedented opportunities and assistance in various aspects, propelling the industry into a new era of innovation and efficiency. Image-to-image AI, also known as image translation or image synthesis, is a powerful application of artificial intelligence that can bring numerous benefits to the fields of design and architecture. Here are some key advantages. Fast and efficient visualization. With image-to-image AI, designers can quickly transform their hand-drawn sketches or conceptual drawings into realistic renderings. This eliminates the need for manual rendering or 3D modeling, saving significant time and effort. The ability to generate visual representations rapidly allows for faster iterations and exploration of design ideas. Idea development and completion. AI can assist designers in developing and refining their ideas by providing immediate visual feedback. By rendering a simple sketch and making iterative changes, designers can continuously interact with the AI system, receiving instant renderings that reflect their modifications. This iterative process allows for the exploration of multiple design possibilities, resulting in the development and completion of more refined architectural ideas. Enhanced creativity and exploration. AI can serve as a valuable tool for expanding the creative boundaries of designers. It enables them to experiment with various design elements, materials, textures, and configurations rapidly. By visualizing different options in a short time, designers can explore a wider range of possibilities, leading to more innovative and unconventional architectural solutions. Collaboration and communication. Image-to-image AI can facilitate effective collaboration and communication between designers, clients, and other stakeholders. The AI-generated renderings provide a common visual language, making it easier for everyone involved to understand and provide feedback on design concepts. This can lead to more efficient decision-making and improved project outcomes. Quality improvement. The iterative nature of working with AI allows designers to continuously refine their designs and improve the quality of their architectural products. The ability to receive real-time feedback on design changes helps identify and address potential issues or inconsistencies early in the process, resulting in more refined and coherent designs. Time and cost savings. By automating the rendering process, AI reduces the time required to create high-quality visualizations. This efficiency translates into cost savings for design firms, as fewer resources are needed for manual rendering or outsourcing rendering tasks. Additionally, the ability to quickly iterate and explore design ideas can accelerate project timelines, leading to faster delivery and reduced overall costs. Design exploration and iteration. Image-to-image AI enables designers to rapidly explore various design options and iterate on their ideas. By quickly generating renderings based on simple sketches or initial concepts, designers can assess different design directions and make informed decisions. This iterative process allows for the refinement and improvement of designs, leading to more innovative and visually appealing architectural solutions. Design validation and feedback. AI-powered image synthesis provides designers with instant visual feedback, helping them validate their design choices and receive early feedback from clients or stakeholders. By visualizing their ideas in a realistic manner, designers can identify potential design flaws or inconsistencies before moving forward in the process. This improves the efficiency of design revisions and reduces the risk of costly errors or misunderstandings. Communication and client engagement. Visual representations generated by image-to-image AI serve as powerful communication tools, bridging the gap between designers and clients. These realistic renderings help clients better understand and visualize the proposed architectural designs, making it easier to provide feedback and make informed decisions. Clear and compelling visualizations enhance client engagement and facilitate effective communication throughout the design process. Time and resource efficiency. Manual rendering or 3D modeling can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Image-to-image AI significantly reduces the time and effort required to create high-quality renderings, freeing up designers' time to focus on other aspects of the design process. Moreover, AI-generated renderings can be continuously refined and modified, allowing designers to experiment and iterate rapidly without the need for extensive manual work. Integration with design tools and workflows. Image-to-image AI can seamlessly integrate into existing design tools and workflows, enhancing their capabilities and efficiency. Design software platforms can leverage AI algorithms to provide real-time rendering previews, generate design variations, or automatically suggest improvements based on user inputs. This integration streamlines the design process, making it more intuitive and efficient for designers. Accessibility and democratization of design. AI-powered image synthesis has the potential to democratize design by making it more accessible to a broader audience. Designers with limited technical expertise can leverage AI tools to generate high-quality renderings, bridging the gap between design professionals and enthusiasts. This opens up opportunities for more people to engage in architectural design and express their creative ideas. Overall, image-to-image AI empowers designers by augmenting their creativity, speeding up the design process, improving communication, and enabling iterative exploration of design ideas. By leveraging the capabilities of AI, designers can push the boundaries of architectural thinking, enhance their productivity, and deliver exceptional design solutions. Thanks for watching.